Martin, it can't be up by 1.5. That must be a mistake. That would be ridiculous.
What's Martin on, an F16?
Looking here at Jorge Martin is also up, but that can't be a real stat.
It can't be right. Nobody is able to find.
Well, it says he's on pole, but I mean, that's an all-time lap record if that's right. We've got to look into that. Yeah,
Well,
even the team aren't celebrating.
Look.
Let's have a look. Has something happened on circuit that we don't know about? This is the fastest lap at turn 8. He cuts the corner.
There you go, yeah, crystal clear.
Well, I mean, so how is it still registered?
Well, pole position to Pol Espargaro. Congratulations to him.
Even though he's just saying to Rick Erta there, I know I cut the corner. That time does not count.